Okay. Amelia Shaw, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
So our daughter has been living with me for 2 years. We're separated, and she's currently not paying any child support. And I thought maybe she would grow up, but I guess it's time to force her hand. So.
Okay. Any reason why you're not paying child support?
She makes a lot more money than I do.
Okay. Is that your only reason?
Amelia Shaw stands before the court, fighting for the support her daughter deserves. After 2 years of raising her child alone, she's had enough. But the response from her ex? She makes more money than me. The judge isn't impressed, and neither are we. What she says next might just blow this case wide open. Don't miss the next twist.
Well, I spend a lot of time, I'm trying to build my career. I'm a hairstylist.
Okay.
So
Congratulations.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So I travel a lot. I don't have a lot of extra money.
When she says she travels a lot, she's at music festivals like every other weekend.
Every other weekend is a bit excessive.
It's networking. I'm trying to do hair for bands.
Let me ask you a question. How much are these trips costing you every other weekend?
Probably close to $1,000.
Close to $1,000, and you're going twice a month?
She paints herself as a struggling hairstylist chasing success, but Amelia counters with cold facts. $1,000 on music festival trips twice a month. Her defense? It's networking. The courtroom's starting to see through the glitter. The judge is about to ask a question that changes everything. Keep watching. Things are heating up fast.
Yeah, sometimes.
You're spending $2,000 a month to go to music festivals when you could be paying child support. So that means you can afford to pay child support, right?
Well,
Yeah. That means that, right?
I mean, yeah, probably.
So what's the reason that you're not paying? Because it can't be that she makes more money when you obviously have the finances to do it.
Well, if I'm being honest,
I would hope you are.
when we talked about having a kid,
She finally admits it. She can pay child support. So why hasn't she? Suddenly, blame starts shifting to the past, the decisions made about having a child in the first place. But the judge isn't looking for regret, only responsibility. You won't believe where this line of questioning goes next. Don't blink. The truth gets more uncomfortable.
I'm the biological mother.
I'm trying to
also
figure out.
biologically related.
But I'm trying to figure out, what does that have to do with anything?
Well, it's kind of more on her, if you think of.
Are you kidding me?
Well, if you,
Because I
don't
gave
even-
birth to
I
the...
don't even understand what's going on right now. What do you mean that it's kind of more on her? It's your child too.
she wanted it more.
But you wanted it too, right?
Yeah, you were on board with this.
I was.
So you're going to still be on board with paying child support then?
Then, in a desperate pivot, she pins the blame on Amelia, saying she wanted the baby more, but shared parenthood means shared duty. And the court isn't here for emotional outsourcing. You help create this child, you help raise her too. The judge is about to drop a reality check that hits hard. Stay tuned, it's getting real.
You don't get to pick and choose when you want to be a parent. It doesn't work like that. If you can spend $2,000 a month to go to music festivals, you can definitely pay her child support. And if you're out of town every other weekend, how are you seeing that child as much
She
as you
doesn't.
proclaim? That doesn't make sense.
I FaceTime.
She's
Face-
drunk when she FaceTimes. Half the time I can't hand the phone over.
Skipping visits, FaceTiming drunk, the judge doesn't hold back. Parenting isn't something you opt in and out of. If she can spend $2,000 a month partying, she can afford to be present for her kid, not just a music scene. And now the court's about to crunch the numbers. Watch the next clip to see how much she really owes.
time.
Right,
It's not
and
good.
I am not buying anything that you're over there talking about. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to get straight into the child support, and you are going to pay, okay? And I know you have the money, because according to your tax returns here, you make about $800 a week, right? Okay, so I have your gross at about $3,200 a month. So you can afford to pay child support because you're spending $2,000 of that to go out of town.
Time.
Right,
Facade
and I
crumbles.
am not
Her
buying
party
anything
lifestyle
that you're over
is
there
officially
talking about.
on trial.
So you know what I'm going
With
to do? I'm
receipts
going
in
to get
hand
straight
and no
into
excuses
the
left,
child support,
the
and you are
judge
going
begins
to pay.
calculating
Okay?
what this negligence
And I know
has
you have the
truly
money,
cost.
because
The numbers
according
are about to
to
speak, and they won't
your
be
tax
kind.
returns here,
How much should a weekend
you
party
make
really
about
cost your
$800
child?
a week.
The judge is about to reveal the math.
Right?
Don't miss it.
Okay. Any children?
Just one.
Just one child? Okay. So I have your net at $2,474.58. Who pays health insurance?
We have Medicaid.
Medicaid? Okay. So Medicaid has to be reimbursed to the state because that is a state benefit. So you are the one who is going to reimburse that money to the state. So what I have to do is take 9% of your gross, and that'll give me the health insurance amount that you'll reimburse to Medicaid.
The judge does the math. $3,200 a month. There's no hiding behind festival tickets or excuses now. Medicaid reimbursement, child support, it all adds up, and it's coming out her paycheck fast. You'll be shocked at what she owes every single month. The total's coming up next.
Comes out to $288. So when you add that to your monthly child support obligation of $494.92, that gets $782.92.
A month?
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. So you can afford it.
I think one music festival a month is enough.
And maybe you should take your daughter with you to the music festival.
I don't think so.
No?
No.
Oh.
I don't trust that.
Oh. Well, you know, now that she's paying child support, you really can't dictate what she does on her weekends.
$782.92. That's her monthly cost of skipping out on responsibility. The judge spells it out clearly. Fewer festivals, more parenting. And suddenly she realizes this is no longer up for debate. Now that she's on the hook, what happened to custody? Next up, the judge drops a final warning you won't want to miss.
You wanted child support, you gave rights. You pretty much gave birth to a visitation rights. You understand?
Yeah.
And child support and custody are completely different. So that doesn't mean at any point, if she stops paying, that you can start denying her access to the child. It doesn't work like that.
Okay.
You all understand? Okay, anything further?
No, ma'am.
Anything further from you? Okay, if there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
The judge delivers a firm reminder. Paying support doesn't buy control, and withholding visits isn't justice, it's revenge. With the gavel down, both parties walk away with a ruling and a reality check. Parenthood is forever, not a weekend option. Like, comment with your thoughts, and subscribe if you believe accountability matters.